So this is the food I got for the week for food prep. This is a quinoa salad that I got at Costco. I have 2 of them, and I'm going to split this into quarters. Each quarter is going to go in one of these, and then also in there is going to go some of this chicken. I'm going to tear off the meat. That's my least favorite part. These are chicken leg quarters, so there's a little bit more fat. It's dark meat, and the skin is going to be on there too. I'm not going to peel that off. You can if you want to. And then these are going to be another meal. 2 of these is a meal for me. These are pretty hefty, so a lot of people could have one of those for a meal or a snack. And then I've got my protein pancakes. I'm going to add a little bit of hummus into my rice and chunk light tuna. That's a cheap, easy meal. Hummus is just adding a little more carbohydrates and fat, which for me is more substance, and that's about it. So here we go. Here's the healthy eating.